So currently I'm looking into this particular stock, and the high of the stock is a little bit far, only 395.60, but the stock is performing really good even when the market is in the negative direction. This stock has a good above direction, but it is already in the super trend green side, and we have a red super trend also, which is bit scaring. But this stock overall from this level has a good potential to go up. So we are trying to take advantage of that. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get 50 times for this particular stock, but still I will try to take 500 stocks and see. And I'll put a stop loss little bit far, considering the stock will have good movement. If it touches super trend also, it can go back to its above level again. So I'm just taking a risk over here. Beginners, do not try this at home. And let's see if it will take 500 stocks first. Yes, it has taken 500 stocks. Go to the portfolio. Yes, it has taken. How much did it take? So it has used margin of 9,538 for this particular trade. We have around what is this? We have around 1,700 in our bucket. So yesterday's profit, I have not removed it out. So people who do not understand how much brokerage goes for Upstox, then you can minus yesterday's profit with 1,272. So that whatever is remaining was the brokerage. So going to the portfolio, yes, the stock has moved, and the LTP has gone up to 390, 388. So we just took at 385.40. There was a sudden spike in this particular stock, and I don't think why I'm talking like this. I get excited sometime when I see such things. I enjoy whatever I do. So yes, so 389. So yes, we got a 1% profit over here already. I'm just seeing, because this particular stock is a really good stock, so I'm just seeing if the stock has a potential to break the 395.60. That is the only thing I'm waiting for right now. So if it has a potential to break, great for us, or else I will just escape, because I've already taken a position at 385, right? So just waiting for that. But all you need is to just my favorite kite, come on up. Okay, so Nifty has got a super trend here. We took an advantage. Now people will ask me why you pick the stock. See, you can pick any stock. See, it's not how you pick a stock. See, beginners should know how to pick a stock. For example, from Top Gainers, Money Control, ET Now, Economic Times, all those, because you need to be a little bit safer so that the stock don't go opposite. But if you ask me how do you pick a stock, I can pick any stock. So there are a lot of stocks on the way. I just look into those stocks, the stocks which are moving, the stock which has moved. For every day is a new day, right? So the stock which has performed really good for the day, I just scan through all the charts. Let it be NSE 100 or 50 or whatever stocks. I just look into all the stocks, and whichever stock is doing really well, that is when I will consider that particular stock, and I will try to see what is the possibility. Where should I enter? Should I enter above my high? Should I enter after the super trend? Is the market gonna give us a little recovery from here to here? During that time, can I take an advantage? These are the things I'm gonna take. So that's what I always tell you. It's not about predicting what the stock price is. It's about taking advantage of the price movement. Understand? Advantage of the price movement. During these falling time, you would have sold. A lot of people would have seen market negative and would have been selling, but the market went up. But while during this period, when you know there's a super trend over here, the market is on at least little correct. At least for namesake, it will correct. During the correction, the top stocks which are in the positive side will move, friend, considering this support, right? And later when this hits the red super trend, the sell side stocks will have a disadvantage, like advantage, and it will go downside. So those are the advantages which I'm taking on any particular stock. Let it be any stock over here. Like for example, if I say Yes Bank particular stock, from one level it is going above. Now it is going bit above, so we're just waiting if the super trend hits here, and if it hits, take an advantage over here. If not, I'm not taking advantage. In this particular stock, 1059 is a high. I'm just waiting for 1059 to break. Same with this particular stock, we already took the position and we are in 1% profit, but I am just actually I have to exit, but I'm just experimenting because this stock has a good potential for the day. So I'm just seeing if the stock can break the 395.60. That is the main reason I'm just waiting. It's not greedy or something. I'm experimenting. This is more of these videos are done mostly to show you guys. So we are experimenting this particular stock, considering market will recover a little bit and this stock will get an advantage for whatever movement it has, right? So let me go to Upstox, and yeah, so just show you the portfolio. Yes, the portfolio is gone for 10,000 capital around 2 points. So we are almost 23%, 25% profit zone right now. So this is how you have to see. It's not about how much capital you have, and the reason you have to reduce the capital during volatile market and falling market is because the movement will be very high, and you should not end up losing all your 100% money during that time. Trade small, take small sizes of trades, and finish your trade. And when the market becomes slow and stagnant, and it's not moving that much, that is when you can take risk. So before that, do not take risk, because one single wrong move, if it goes ulta against you, and you will lose 100% money, because when you take leverage, even 10-20% will make all your account wipe out. So I'm just seeing this went up to 391.45. Does this have a potential to break? Beginners, we say always exit at 0.3%, that is almost 1 rupee 30 paisa, right? So 1 rupee 30 paisa is a target, but here we are already crossed 5 rupees and above. So this is just for an experiment. Now don't say every day you're gonna get the same. Every day is a new day. Every day the stock won't move like this. When the volatility is high like this, and few situations the stocks will move. It depends how you exactly get the right entry time. So if you don't get the right entry time, even if you take top stock, after taking the top, it will start falling down. It's about taking at the right time. Now when I say right time, there is no time like 9:10, 9:20, 9:30. It differs. It's about a situation. So today's situation, the market is like this. These are the indicators. For that, you need pure knowledge. If you don't understand knowledge, if you just tell me the strategy of so and so, tell me how you pick the stock, tomorrow the same idea will not work for you guys. Understand this. That's the reason there's no point in me telling do this, because today's market is not the same. If I say stock price of this so and so, share price is so and so, it will not be the same tomorrow in my video if you see, right? So you should be very careful in terms of market. Things change, strategy change. You need to keep upgrading yourself. You need to tweak your strategy or your idea of picking stock. So hope you're understanding what I'm trying to tell you guys, and hope these types of videos are helping you. I'm trying to record this with great difficulty. I have my office after this, so before that I have to go to the saloon to get a haircut and all that. So yes, somehow I'm managing to record this video just for you guys. And yes, after I think from December I'll be free, as you guys know. So those time I'll try to make nice videos and different type of videos. I'll have a lot of time to record videos. Anyways, 391.8045. You need to break it, man. I think it has a resistance in that level. So hoping this stock, if the stock can go towards more high, considering it's a top stock for now, and it can go up to 395 and touch 400 if market goes to positive and gives a good support for us. So market has come to, if you see in the above right side, market has come to 0.16 already. So little more, if market can recover from there and go to positive side, and that is when we can make some good money. So let me pause and see if I'm exiting, and let you know, guys. So we are planning to exit the stock right away. It's high time for me. I have to go out, so it's not good to travel bike. I earlier also made this mistake while traveling. Then I would have not seen the stock. The stock will come down. I can't monitor the stock, so I would better not do that mistake again, and just go to the order history and just hit that, where's that exit button, and let me see how much did it sell for. So it sold for 2,434 rupees profit. That is 24.3% profit for the day. And the balance would have increased obviously as 13,700. So where do I see that order history? So it got sold at 390. I took it at 385.40, so it sold at around close to 5 rupees profit. So it's more than 1% of a stock into 20 times. So yeah, so 24% profit for the day. So this was a quick thing, and I know there will be a lot of people asking, sir, how do you pick the stock? How do you pick this stock? I think I tried to explain you the logic behind how to pick a stock. It's not about picking some random stock and saying pick a stock. Not every stock will go up. It's about reading the stock at the current situation. At the current situation, will the stock move? From where the stock can move? Will it break its high? Then should I take an advantage? Or else, will it hit its super trend buy? Then should I take advantage? If a selling stock, should I go below the low? Or should I wait for the super trend sell, then take an advantage of 0.3%. Is the RSI fully down, and is it time for the stock to recover after falling a long time? A stock which has already fallen will recover a little bit above. Can I take that advantage? Market is recovering back a little bit. Can I take a positive advantage? Market is gonna fall a little bit. Can I take an advantage toward the negative side? So these are the ways you have to pick a stock. And when you pick a stock from top gainer, top loser, try to understand when to enter a stock. Understanding after picking a stock when to enter a stock. It's not about the right time saying correct muhurtam saying 11:15 is a correct time, good time to trade. No, these things will not work in real time, because every day is a different situation, because market is moving based on so many million people's of psychology. You cannot predict so many people's mind, right? So they keep pushing it up and down, but considering those technicals, using those technical and logic, you need to try to take advantage of that particular situation. That is what I'm trying to tell you. So hope that answer helped a lot of people. So try to understand, think about it. And yes, in Telegram also I mentioned to my people to have a look at this particular stock. The stock has a good potential of movement for the day, so I had mentioned them also. So it's a learning for them also. It's always an observation. It's not that I'm giving any calls or something. It's all about a learning for them, seeing different situations in the market and different stocks, how they react with the market. So it's all about the learning. So this is also a learning for you guys, educational channel, so that I always post this video after the market task, so that you can sit and relax and look at the chart and understand how things worked and how you can trade well the next day. So always trade safe. Hit that like button if you like such videos and how I explained today, and please hit that share button and share with all your friends. And also comment. If you have a good comment, please comment, because I only approve good comments on the same day. Next day I may not check the video comments because I'll be doing the next video, right? So anyways, subscribe to the channel. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.